This is Armand Kumar reporting live from Mrs. Brown's class. Today I'm going to be doing my Rube Goldberg machine. So here's how it works. First, I will drop the marble down the Hot Wheels track into the funnel and the whole structure, into a paper ramp, which causes the bucket to go down. And since it's connected to a pulley, this brick will go up, which will hit a ball, and go down the paper ramp, which will hit the dominoes, which will hit the car, which will hit the other dominoes, which will hit the tennis ball, and the tennis ball will fall all the way down to there, causing the car to go zoom on the tracks, hit the cardboard, and reveal the tissue curtains. Now let's get on, baby. It's the time.
Chill.
3, 2, 1. Wish me luck, boys and girls. Yes! It worked! It's game over, baby. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bonus! Let's go. In 3, 2, 1.